Realme X7 Pro listing goes live on e-retailer ahead of launch, key specifications, and design tipped. Realme X7 and Realme X7 Pro phones are all set to launch on September 1st. Ahead of the launch, the Realme X7 Pro listing has gone live on Chinese e-retailer JD.com. The listing suggests few key features of the phone and its design. For instance, the Realme X7 Pro is seen to sport a hole punch display with a cutout placed on the top left edge, and it is listed to weigh 175 grams. JD.com is currently taking reservations of interests for the phone right now. The Realme X7 Pro JD.com listing shows that the phone will have a 120Hz AMOLED screen and weigh about 175 grams. The listing reiterates 1200 nits peak brightness display that was teased earlier as well. The display also supports 4096 level brightness adjustment. Specification details have not been populated on JD.com yet and should be live once the phone is launched on September 1st. The Realme X7 Pro images are also live on the e-commerce site and show the phone in only one white gradient option, but there could be more colors unveiled at the event. The rear panel is identical to what has been teased earlier, with a quad camera setup sitting inside a rectangular-shaped module placed on the top left corner. 3 sensors are placed in one line, and a 4th sensor sits on the side. The words 64MP quad camera are embossed inside the module, hinting at main camera specification details. Up front, as mentioned, the Realme X7 Pro has a hole punch display with the cutout placed on the top left corner. The chin at the bottom is noticeably very thin. Based on past leaks, the Realme X7 Pro is tipped to feature a 6.55-inch, 1080 by 2400 pixels, AMOLED display and may be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus SoC, clocked at 2.6 GHz. The handset is reported to pack 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. The quad camera setup is tipped to include an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter and 2 additional 2-megapixel sensors, apart from the 64-megapixel main shooter. Up front, the hole punch cutout is expected to house a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The Realme X7 Pro may pack a 4,500 mAh dual-cell battery with expected support for 65 watts Super Dart flash charge. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.